Today I'm going to be doing very simple makeup. Actually, I have a pimple popping right here, right here, right here and right here. बहुत सारे pimple pop out हो चुके हैं, so I literally need to hide. But I'm not going to do much on my face today. I'm going to show you a very subtle no makeup look, literally like how to make your base look like your skin. I'm going to be using all the drugstore products because most of the days I'm using drugstores lately. So I'm really interested on showing you what I'm going to be doing today. So if you're interested as well, then please continue watching. I have nothing on my face. I'm going to be moisturizing my face really well, and for that I'm going in with Bioderma Sebium Hydra. I always use this before makeup, especially in this hot humid weather. It's very gentle for oily skin type, does not become oily at all. I'm about to finish it up. Will you come out or not? I don't know. हाँ आ गया थोड़ा सा, तो इसको हम अच्छे से फेस पे अप्लाई करेंगे. आई डोंट यूज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. मैंने पहले भी काफी बार बोला है दैट स्टिक टू मॉइस्चराइजर्स नाउअडेज, no toners, serum and tons of different steps before makeup because I just like to keep it very simple and sorted. I have a meeting to attend, so I'm going to keep it like very simple as much as I can. This is kind of my signature look when I'm in rush. I do this very often. So I'm going to apply whatever left on my neck. I'm going to go with a silicone based primer. This is the Color Essence pre-makeup base. I'm just going to apply it on my nose. I'm not going to apply it where I have the pimple, because when you are applying a silicone based primer on the pimple, it will even clog the pimple, so it's just going to make it worse. So avoid it. I like to make my base very smooth so that foundation can glide on. Then I'm using my stick foundation from Sugar. It's my favorite foundation at the moment. अगर आपने मेरे पहले videos देखा है तो आपको पता होगा, because it's nearing its expiry. I really want to finish it before it gets expired because मैंने पैसे देके खरीदा है. 2 years होने को है इस foundation को, तो मुझे PRs भी नहीं मिलते थे. मैं जैसे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ वैसे आप स्किन टिन भी अप्लाई करोगे तो सेम ही कवरेज मिलेगा. ऐसा कुछ बहुत ज्यादा फाउंडेशन मैं यूज करने नहीं वाली हूँ आज के लुक के लिए. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू स्कूल और कॉलेज, दिस मेकअप टिप्स विल रियली हेल्प टू गेट दैट स्किन लाइक फिनिश. बट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू स्कूल, आई डोंट नो व्हाई आर यू वेयरिंग makeup, but I saw a lot of girls to wear makeup in school nowadays. If you are one of them, like if you have the fetish of wearing makeup in school, I think this tutorial will help you. When you're dabbing your foundation with the help of your brush, you are getting most coverage. But if you don't want coverage, just blend it like this. Okay, if you want that seamless base look, go on with a blush before you go in with a concealer. I'm gonna take my Earth Rhythm blush. It comes with 3 different shades, perfect for school or college going girls if you're into makeup. It has beautiful fresh nude shades, not like one of those regular pink. So I love this color combination and it looks really good even on deeper skin tone. It gives that beautiful glowy look. You can also apply a little bit on the tip of your nose. Don't drag it over there, just blend it over here. Now you can go on with a concealer if you need to. Personally, I don't need to do the concealer, but I'm just going to show you for today's video. I'm probably going to highlight a little bit, blending your concealer into the blush. It gives that beautiful gradient right here, so you will not be able to understand where the blush has started, where the concealer has started and all of that. It just looks very cohesive. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrow, and for that I'm using an eyebrow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Nowadays I love taking my time while doing my brow. This is one of the best feature that I want to enhance, especially when I'm doing not too much on my eyes as well. I just want my brow to look fluffy and structured. I'm just going to clean the edges with the same concealer that I have used. I'm going to take this neutral shade and I'm literally going to apply it all across my eyes. As I don't have much discoloration, I don't like to go on with the concealer before this. If you have a little bit of discoloration, please go ahead with that. I do have discoloration, but it can be managed with the shade. You can see when I think of keeping it light, the only thing that I can think of using a neutral shadow all across my eyelid and I'm good to go, which does not look very flashy, but it's there. I'm taking pink powder and I'm slightly gonna dab it under my eyes just to brighten up a little bit more. It can crease at any given point of time because I have used concealer, so I like to bake it for like 1 minute. Then I take this big fluffy brush and I literally remove everything. The powder has already been set, whatever was needed. That's it. I'm gonna go with this lip gloss. If you want that tint kind of a look, then just spread a little bit and yeah, that's it. I'm going to remove the excess product. Then I'm going to go on with a clear gloss. When I do this on a day-to-day basis, it literally takes 5 minutes. It's just because I was explaining the steps to you guys. It took a little bit of extra time, but what I can say, it's very easy. It looks very effortless and it's the man's version of no makeup look. Basically, it's a no makeup look, but according to them, there is nothing on my face. Like, this is kind of crazy, but it is what it is. I will head out at around 4 p.m. and it will look amazing, especially in golden hour time. I would call it an effortless glam. scam, to catfish people. I hope you found this video helpful, entertaining, informative. If you saw me for the very first time, hi, this is Molly. I have linked all the products in the description box below. Please check them out. And if you're new to this channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell icon. So whenever I will post a new video, you will get notified. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Take care of yourself, okay? Bye.